Hi guys! Good morning. It's always morning. It's always a great morning. This is Jemuel and you are watching to my channel. It's Jemuel's channel. And for today's vlog, we're going to First Park Homes. Where, Ma'am Jack? First Park Homes, Batulao. Ayan. We're heading to First Park Homes, Batulao. Yan yung poging driver namin, si Sir Ernan. Say hi ka dyan, sir. Kaway-kaway dyan. Yan, galing kami sa MOA kanina. We're heading to Cavitex. So, dito kami ngayon sa NAIA room. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung biyahe namin. Going to Cavite. And then from Cavite, we'll take Amadeo Highway or Amadeo Road going to Tagaytay. And then from Tagaytay to Nasugbu, Batangas. Doon located si First Park Homes. It's located in Barangay Kailaway, Nasugbu, Batangas. Yan. Here we are at First Park Homes Editions. This is located at Barangay Kailaway, Nasugbu, Batangas. 10 to 15 minutes away from Tagaytay. Yan, may pa-event dito. Merry Christmas everyone. Andiyan yung mga guards. 24/7 security dito. Ayan guys, ito yung mga amenities dito sa First Editions Batulao. Ayan yung mga model houses. Ayan, for the amenities, we have play park, panorama square, pool park, tree house, wifi nook, and a lot more. Ayan, may tree house pa doon. Yun, andun yung Christy, Charles, si Cartland, tsaka si Corinne. Nagtutour siya. Go on. Yan, ang ganda dito. Grabe ang ginaw, no? Parang nasa Hong Kong lang. Nasa South Korea. Ganda ng peg dito. Ganda ng weather dito. Tagaytay feels. Kaya dito na kayo mag-invest. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-aircon dito or electric fan. Diba? Tatambay lang kayo dun sa balcony nyo. Yan, doon ako galing kanina. Andun yung mga amenities ni First Editions. Ito na yung mga model houses dito ngayon. Yan, andyan si Christy, si Corinne, si Charles, saka si Cartland. Ayan, tara, pasukin natin. Ganda ng landscaping dito. Diba? Yun.